Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh. Mr. Chairman, my boss is supposed to be here, but currently is at the Lieutenant General Smith's funeral. But you pass by before we proceeded to Central Region. But I said a powerful delegation. The person of Alhaji Baba Lami, Alhaji Baba Sharif of Marahaba, and Alhaji Baba Sharif, Party Executive, National Executive Member. So, Mr. Chairman, Your Excellency, the former President of the Republic of Ghana, Your Eminence, the National Chief Imam of Hausazone wal Jama'ah, the National Chief Imam will be coming. Distinguished Zongo chiefs present today, Chief of Niiboi, Honorable MP OkashaKameny, our distinguished imams and scholars, and distinguished invited guests. Brothers and sisters from the media, members of my cabinet, and the people of Niiboi, ladies and gentlemen. Permit me to greet you with Islamic greetings of peace, love, and blessings. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh. Mr. Chairman, it's been 5 years since I was installed as the Zongo chief of Niiboi at this very venue. We thank Allah for everything. Mr. Chairman, since I was installed 5 years ago, I have been studying, brainstorming, consulting, and engaging together with my cabinet about how can better serve Niiboi Town, Zongo, in order to enhance socio-economic development of the people. And after these numerous brainstorming and engagement sessions, we have come to a realization that our Zongo communities are deprived and poor mainly due to lack of adequate education achievement by its members. This situation has largely been as a result of delayed education pursuits and attainment by the earlier members of the communities, and this has exerted a retarded effect on the development milestone of these communities. In view of this, it has been suggested that any effective strategy for alleviating of poverty, nurturing of characters, and the promotion of sustainable development in deprived communities such as the Zongos in Ghana must focus on enhanced educational achievement that promote rapid social mobility among its people, particularly the youth. In view of this, my cabinet and I came to a conclusion that if we really want to serve our people, then we must take the issue of education more serious in our community. As a result, we decided to support students from Niiboi Town who are pursuing tertiary education in our own small ways. But then, the number kept growing beyond our means. And beyond our means, then that we decided to formally establish an education endowment fund that will cater for all forms of education support for the youth of our communities. Hence, the birth of Sarki Musah Education Endowment Fund, the SISP fund, the SPEAR fund for Niiboi Town. The fund has been fully registered with the both registered general department and the non-profit organization secretariat at the Ministry of Gender, Children and Social Protection. A special account has been opened for the fund. This Education Endowment Fund initiative seeks to promote strategic life-changing education support as an effective tool for poverty alleviation and sustainability and sustainable development in the community. To equip the youth of Niiboi Town with technical and vocational skills for economic empowerment. To offer scholarship to Zongo and other students admitted into university competitive courses such as medicine, engineering, nursing, law, etc. Mr. Chairman, in order to ensure that the SME Fund is well managed to achieve its goals, 7-member board of trustees, including an administrator, made up of credible, seasoned professionals, have been appointed to manage the fund. The board shall formulate policies for the day-to-day running of the fund and shall consider and approve applications for educational support among the other possibilities. The SME fund shall seek funding through the following means: donation from corporate entities within and outside Niiboi camp, funding from donor agencies and NGOs, support from government and public agencies, support from individuals within and without Niiboi, endowment investment in the name of the fund. In the name of the fund, any other legitimate funding sources. On this note, Mr. Chairman, our distinguished invited guests, ladies and gentlemen, I wish to thank you all for coming to support us in this important project. It is a project of realistic poverty alleviation and practical development of our youth, who are our future leaders in all segments of our lives. We pray to Almighty Allah to continue us as we serve humanity. Once again, you are warmly welcome and thank you very much for coming to support us. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.